Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to see how to add Klarna Checkout on Shopify. Let's get started. Klarna offers buy now, pay later solution. To begin, open the Shopify page and click on Settings. Then from the list, choose Payment. Scroll down and select the Add Payment Method button. In the search bar, type Klarna. A list of payment methods will appear. Choose Airwallex Klarna and click on Install. As you can see, the application is installed in our store. The next step is to finish setting up your account with this provider to start accessing payments. Click on Manage Account to start creating a Klarna account and activate it for Shopify store. Click on Create Free Account. Insert your name and business email to proceed, and click on the Get Started button. Next, insert your business information and click on Next. Insert the verification SMS code and click on Continue. Next, select the activity that you want to include in your Airwallex account. And make a tick on the terms and conditions. Then click Create Account. The account will be created successfully. So now we can use Klarna for checkouts. This is how to add Klarna Checkout to Shopify store. Thank you for watching.